Babe, hurry up. I don't want you to melt. Your chocolate ass. Sexy self. Okay, guys. Welcome back to a new video. Okay, I'm making coleslaw. Yeah. Coleslaw. Oh, yeah. Coleslaw. Okay. These are bell peppers. Yeah. Carrots too. Yeah. With the Burden Gang crew. Yeah. This is Burden Gang in the building, and we came to gang. Okay. Anyway, let me stop. Okay, I'm putting bell pepper, carrots, onions. You know, I'm still getting started. So yeah, let go. Okay, guys, so to make your vegetables, to make them more fine and little bitty, you know, get the knife, hold it at this end, hold it at the base of it, and at the end of the knife, don't cut your fingers off, and then go down like that. You see that? Go down like that, and then go the opposite way. I learned this from y'all big bro. I learned from the best, honey. Side note. Yes, he teach me a lot. I learned a lot from his ass. Scorpio ass. Damn mean ass. Whew, that man, that's something else, guys. Crazy ass. But anyway, I learned this from y'all big bro, aka Stand Man, aka Scorpio, aka King of the Ghetto, aka y'all big bro. Respect him. Okay, so yeah, make it like that, guys. And you see, it's more, let me say, more smaller, like this, like that, and then you just turn the knife and do it again. You don't need no food processor for this. Just get your knife and chop it up like so, just like that, guys. Oh, gang, it's a new year, new us, gang. All right, hey. Okay, guys, I already chopped up the bell pepper, and this is how to make coleslaw. Next, y'all, what you gonna have to do is chop these baby carrots on up. I got the baby carrots this time. We're gonna chop up these baby carrots, chopping them up. Oh yes, I'm talking to you. Burn gang, we finna chop these carrots up. Be back. Okay, guys, so when you cutting up carrots, you do not want to use a knife. Don't use a knife. Use this grater. And I use the big part. You get 2 of them, and you just go to town on them. Wait a minute. Balance with me now. You've been acting up all this time, and now the camera come on. You want to act a fool. See, like that.
Then you end up with,
look at all that, guys. Look at that. With the grater. Be back. Okay, got the carrots chopped all up, guys. Got it chopped all up. I just got to lean it over there before I chop up some more stuff. Okay, guys, so I'm going to cut up this celery. When you cooking with celery, cut the top off of this part. Okay, and then I'm going to cut up some red onions. Okay, guys, you remember how I told y'all? Okay, guys, you remember how I told y'all the knife trick? To go like that without needing the chopper. Go like that and then go this way. I repeated the same process over and over and look how fine it is. Look how thin it is. Now, mind you, chives is thick. Look how fine I made it. I said chives. Celery. Look how fine I made it. Thin I made it. Let's just say that. Okay, guys. Okay, so y'all big bro, aka Standman, aka Malibu, aka y'all know this. So look, Daddy, he had cut these up because y'all big sis right here, me. Oh Lord, I start crying every time I cut up onions. So I just passed it on to y'all big bro and be like, could you cut that up? Because I just start crying like nothing. Then my fucking eyes start coming apart, my eyelashes. I'm like, oh my God, let me pass it to y'all big bro, man. Whew. And he don't even got, his eyes ain't watery or nothing. Okay, guys, look at this big old mama jumma. Oh my God! Now for the main ingredient, dun dun dun, cabbage.
In the house.
In his house. It's so huge, y'all. This is so big. This is so big. I made sure to get a big one because, you know, I do a lot of things with this cabbage, honey. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's got its own hotel and everything. Ooh, so big. Dang. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Damn it. Thought I almost dropped that motherfucker. Okay, guys. I cut up some cabbage. And once I'm done, I'm definitely going to put them in baggies and stuff so I can save a lot of it. Because this is going to be a lot of coleslaw. Now, this is the main ingredient. And so, next, I'm going to put some mayonnaise and some garlic and black pepper. So, you want to put mayonnaise in, garlic, and black pepper. I use garlic and black pepper. You don't got to use garlic, but you normally supposed to use black pepper. But I put garlic in there anyway because I put garlic in everything. I put that shit on everything. So, yeah, I'm going to whip it all together, put my mayonnaise in there, garlic, and black pepper. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, now I'm finished with the coleslaw. And I'm going to put it in some baggies because I made a big bowl. And so, when you put mayonnaise, only put like 2 big spoons at the most. Don't put no more than 2. Because if you overpower it, no, you're going to want to taste your veggies and all that stuff. So, do not overpower it. You can put whatever you want in here. But do not overpower it because you want to taste the crunch and all that stuff for it to be coleslaw. Okay, finna pack these up and put it in some baggies and finna wrap this up. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to put it in some sandwich baggies. See what I'm going to do when I put it in the sandwich baggies. Welcome back to Burton Gang Land. This Burton Gang, yep, and we come to win. Hey, knocking down doors. Hey, climbing to the top. Hey, we go. Anyway, let me stop. Okay, so now I put the coleslaw in baggies. I put it in baggies because that way you can eat it. Like maybe you can get this and this maybe for another day, this for another day, this for another day. That way whatever you eat or whatever, you will have your little veggies on the side. So if you eat something bad or whatever, just put a little veggie on the side. You can split it with your families and all that. And, you know, there you go. Put your little baggies and stuff. And you can put it in the freezer. Let it thaw out. But I prefer put it in the refrigerator. Put it in the refrigerator and eat it every day. No matter what you eating with it. You can eat coleslaw with just about everything. So, yeah. And if you want to put it in the freezer, you can. But yeah, you could put it on your burgers. You could put it on your hot dogs. You could put it on, maybe if you're eating a pizza, you could put that on the side and eat it like a salad.
If you want to use it for a dip.
Right. If you want to use it for a dip, get you some Doritos. Hey.
That's right.
Hell yeah. So you can do just about whatever you want with coleslaw. That's why I love coleslaw. I love cabbage. My husband loves cabbage. So, I make coleslaw. Every time I make cabbage, I make coleslaw. And that's why I make multiple bags because I'm not making coleslaw every day. Or I'm not cooking cabbage every day. So, I'm like, okay, yeah. One day if you go to maybe Chicken Tuesday and you want to get some chicken or whatever. Chicken Tuesday. Put this on the side. Get your some healthy stuff and eat it on the side of it. That's just a healthy bag, you know. So, yeah, and I'm going to put these up. So, that's it. And I showed you how to make coleslaw. And I also told you what all you can eat with coleslaw. You can eat just about anything with it. Okay, Burton Gang, we out this piece. Gang. Babe, hurry up. I don't want you to melt. Your chocolate ass, sexy self.